Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bhopal location. It is from Madhya Pradesh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in Ask Gallo Digital. They are looking for Node.js developer. Coming to the skills required for this job role, like Node.js, JavaScript libraries and frameworks, jQuery, core of backend development with React, and experience required, that is 2 to 6 years experience is required, and it is a full-time job. And coming to the requirements, masters in Node.js and frameworks available for it, and knowledge of loopback or express is a big plus. Good understanding of NoSQL and SQL databases, comfortable with test-driven development, and are able to learn and adapt fast, as well as identifying and solving problems. Coming to the qualifications and education requirements, the candidates should have a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, computer engineering, or a related technical field or equivalent work experience, and 4 years plus experience in software engineering and development, 3 years plus work experience of back-end development including Node.js, 1 year plus experience of front-end development including React, Angular, or Vue.js, and prior experience using Git or GitHub, preferably contributing to open source projects. These are the qualifications required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there are job openings are available in Future Choice Club. They are looking for multiple positions. Like for the venue manager, there is one vacancy is available. For the takeover manager, there are 2 vacancies are available. For the holidays consultants, there are 8 vacancies are available. For 4 for males and another 4 for females. For the branch telemarketing manager or floor manager, there is 1 vacancy is available. For the marketing executive, there is 1 vacancy is available. Outpost consultants, there are 6 vacancies are available. For the telemarketing executives, there are 10 vacancies are available. For the team leaders, there are 2 vacancies are available, and for the HR executive, there is 1 vacancy is available. These are the positions for this company. And coming to the requirements, they require someone with extraordinary and pleasing personalities and must be self-driven and motivated with new and innovative ideas to take their rapidly growing organization at the next level, and you must be passionate towards making your career into their organization. Future Choice Club is becoming a brand now, and which in turn will help you in making your future bright. Coming to the skills required, good communication and the presentation skills, and must possess pleasing personality and must have leading qualities and someone who can think out of box. These are the skills required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Ashwini Academy for Talent Management. They are looking for CCP position. Coming to the qualifications required, 12th and graduate and freshers and experience both can apply for this job role, and salary will be 11k to 13k. And coming to the skills required for this job role, like good communication skills, voice and accent, as well as listening skills. General communication skills are an important part of good customer service, and it is essential to communicate clearly so that customers know what to expect and what they are getting. These are the skills required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available for fitness coach in Tuneup. Coming to the eligibility criteria for this job role, it would be the candidates must have certificate in CPR or AED and the passing of a certified personal trainer course and having a bachelor's degree in exercise physiology or exercise science, and master's degree in exercise physiology is preferred, high school diploma and degree in kinesiology or sports science. Coming to the skills required for this job role, they would be run and supervise various fitness and health programs, assess the physical and health conditions of clients, create appropriate exercise plans and monitor their improvement, explain applicable safety rules and regulations, example use of equipment, good communication like English and Hindi, and track clients' physical progress, modify exercise plans based on needs and potential injuries or health issues. These are the skills required for this job role. Coming to the experience required, it would be 3 to 5 years experience is required for this job role. And looking for a candidate who can join immediately for full-time job. This is about the job criteria. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in IZI. They are looking for e-commerce intern. About the internship, it would be selected interns. Day-to-day responsibilities include creating, listening on e-commerce platforms. Coming to the requirements, the candidates are available for a full-time internship and can start the internship between August to December and are available for duration of 3 months and have relevant skills and interests, and freshers looking for jobs may also apply. And coming to the stipend, it would be 3,000 to 5,000 per month, and if the candidate is deemed suitable after a period of 3 months and they shall be observed for full-time position, and contract length is 6 months and application deadline would be 31st October, and it is job type will be full-time and is a internship. Interested candidates can apply for this internship by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Coral Blink Services Private Limited. They are looking for customer service representative, and the salary will be 11k to 12k fixed in hand, and it is a work from office and 6 days working and 1 day rotational off. And coming to the desired skills and experience, voice process, customer service, inbound BPO and inbound process, domestic BPO and customer care. In these fields, the candidates must have skills. And coming to the qualifications and experience, urgent hiring for customer service, voice process, and freshers or experience both can consider. And the candidates should have graduate or undergraduate and very good communication skills required in English. This is about the job role, and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Orfix Solution. They are looking for digital marketing intern. Selected interns' day-to-day responsibilities will include handle social media, work on content writing for brands, handle on-page SEO and link building. These are the day-to-day responsibilities for interns, and only those candidates who can apply, like the candidates are available for full-time internship and can start the internship immediately, and the candidates are available for the duration of 3 months and having relevant skills and interests, and stipend would be 2,000 to 3,000 per month. And coming to the other perks, like they will provide certificate, letter of recommendation, informal dress code and free snacks and beverage skills. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Dorsey Company. They are looking for sales and marketing specialist. Coming to the responsibilities, manage and streamline social media use, increase engagement and ROI, update Google Business Profile, and provide customer service and support for clients after program implementation, tracking and referrals and tracking ROI. Process sales orders and enter order information into the Salesforce database, managing a network of vendors and suppliers, working alongside the team to draft strategies to increase customer base, conducting market research and sharing findings with the team. These are the responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Dainik Bhaskar. They are looking for business analyst. Coming to the job responsibilities, interfacing with mapping of requirements, making presentations and delivering need-based product solutions, coordination with sales team and regular follow-up for the implementation for ideas, business planning, strategy and analysis support to business head, provide report on competition initiatives for revenue generation, keep a track of revenue and volume of competition on a daily basis and give input to the business head. Coming to the desired skills and experience required, the candidates should have skills in these ones like data analytics and analytics business intelligence. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Orfix Solution. They are looking for digital marketing intern. Coming to the responsibilities, work on lead generation daily, promote the landing pages on different groups, work on different social media platforms, handle all on-page SEO tasks and all off-page SEO tasks. Coming to the requirements, the candidates are available for full-time internship and the candidates can start the internship immediately and they are available for duration of 3 months and have relevant skills and interests, and the stipend would be 2000 to 3000 per month, and interested candidates can apply for this intern by the link given below in the description.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.